Hey everybody, welcome back to the Steele Hyundai channel. This is Zach. Behind me we have the Ioniq 6, and today we're going to do a quick 5-minute video. We're going to explore the exterior, the interior, and go over some of the features. If you like this video or you find it helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more great content. And with that being said, let's get taking a quick look at the exterior of the Ioniq 6. Coming to the front end, you have LED headlamps that are going to be for your LED daytime runnings, your high beams and your low beams. You're going to have lots of pixels throughout the vehicle, over 700. Oftentimes you're going to notice them in groups of 6. On the side of the vehicle, you're going to have auto flushing door handles. You have 20-inch alloy wheels. A lot of attention to detail went into the design of this vehicle. Towards the end, it kind of looks like a Porsche. You have LED taillights. You have a shark fin antenna. And of course you have a power sunroof. LED side mirror indicators. Your side mirrors are also going to be heated. You get keyless proximity entry as well. That being said, let's have a quick look at the inside. Alrighty, the inside of the Ioniq 6 is just as unique as the outside. Starting right off with the steering wheel, you're going to notice that the Hyundai logo is missing. Instead, they opted for these 4 lights. These 4 lights are going to display some valuable information. So when you're at a charging station and your battery is, say, 50% full, you'll have 2 of these lights lit up. Once you reach 75, you'll get the 3rd light, and once you're at 100, you'll have the 4th light. It's pretty neat. You have a 12.3-inch digital display cluster. This is going to be for your speedometer. It's going to display battery information and your range. On this screen, you have your navigation and your media. So this is another 12.3-inch, very responsive screen. It is touchscreen. Located below, you have your dual zone climate control with physical buttons for your map, your navigation, and your media. And something interesting, you also have your door and window controls located in the center of the vehicle. You have a wireless charging pad located in there with a USB out port. Your passenger is going to have 6-way power adjusting seats, and your driver is going to have 8-way power adjusting seats with 2-way lumbar. You'll notice that you have Bose sound system in here. This is going to be an 8-speaker premium audio system for the ultimate package. Towards the back, you have a leatherette interior. You have 2 HVAC vents for your second row passengers and 2 Type-C outlets. With that being said, let's have a quick talk about some safety features that come standard on the Ioniq 6. Unfortunately, we can't talk about them all because we just don't have that much time. When it comes to safety, Hyundai does not play games. Some of the standard safety features that you will get on your entry-level trims will include blind spot collision warning, rear cross traffic avoidance, lane keep assist, lane follow assist, highway driving assist, and the list goes on. Some of the other things about the Ioniq 6 that I enjoy are its 581 kilometer range, the fact that you're able to get from 10% to 80% charge in just under 18 minutes. It's a very well-rounded vehicle. So that does it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you had any questions about the Ioniq 6 or any other models in the Hyundai lineup, feel free to reach out to me directly at the dealership or come down and see me in person at 3625 Kempt Road today. We still have plenty in stock.